And you know, let me tell you something. First of all, thank you for everybody coming out for the 90s. We love you! So we're gonna do a song. It's called... What?
Big up to Urbano, baby.
Let me do that.
Big up.
So, you know, he's on a time check. You know. So, check this out. We're gonna do a song. It's called "Take a Chance." For everybody that thinks he's a loser or you want to do something else with his life, this is your song. Put your motherfucking hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Say what? Take your chance. Hold on. Let's go.
Put the music on!
Yes, sir.
You got some better, listen to the mental, the mental, see. Y'all can listen to the fuck on your life.